The importance of e-commerce for your business in 2022. Do you know when e-commerce was invented? It was invented back in May 1989, when SequoiaData Crop introduced Compumarket, the first internet-based system for e-commerce. And right now, in the emerging global economy, e-commerce has increasingly become a vital component of business strategy and a solid catalyst for economic development. From startups to small and medium-sized businesses right through to huge brands, there are a large number of companies that can benefit from their own online store, where they can sell their own products, services. Let me tell you about the top e-commerce benefits in 2022. Who doesn't want to reduce his costs? E-commerce helps you reduce your costs because all of your products are presented in an online store. It takes us to the second benefit of e-commerce, which is, that your business can go global. Why? Because your presence is online and there are no more geographical barriers. E-commerce is a great way if you want to expand and if you want your business to grow worldwide. Also, e-commerce can be done with fewer overheads and fewer risks. When you start an online store, you will reduce your startup costs, and this is definitely beneficial for you. Not only that, but having an e-commerce store can be used to broaden your range of services, products for sale, expand your business, bring you more customers, and diversify your sales. Note that your e-commerce website is the best marketing tool you would ever have. With good SEO, your online store will appear in the top results of SERPs. One of the great benefits is that your online store will stay open 24/7 365. Also, the most enjoyable thing about e-commerce is that the buying options are convenient, user-friendly, and quick, with the ability to transfer funds online. E-commerce will let you have a personalized shopping experience, for example, to know at what point in the process you left the purchase halfway and even remember that you left it in the middle by sending an email. E-commerce will, for sure, improve the image of your business, because offering a good online sales platform to users will give your company a great corporate appearance. The online store will allow you to receive that feedback so you can implement improvements in your business. Through star ratings, with the possibility of leaving comments. Moreover, with changes in technology, user behaviors, and shopping patterns, sellers will have to provide solutions ensuring the trust and safety of shopping processes. This is another important detail of thinking about the long term of your business. Search patterns and consumer spending, the advancement of technology, and the latest statistics estimate that by 2040, 95% of purchases will be made through the internet. Also, make sure you provide high-quality products with reasonable prices and customer service. Don't forget like video and subscribe now.